So the first thing I noticed about these double dual tip black acrylic markers is that it's so convenient. If you've ever had regular paint pens, it's so irritating that you have to make sure that the ink is moving, but this pen completely skips that. It's designed with an advanced clog resistant tip and a smooth flowing ink system that makes it ready to go the second you take the cap off. These were gifted to me to share with you, and I love having, again, two separate tools that help you with your artwork. So let's take a closer look and see how it looks on paper. I don't know if you've seen these fun monochrome coloring books, but these markers are literally a game changer for these books. Let's try and go for a little bit smaller tip because this is a little more specific. So the idea with the monochrome books is you just color in all of the X areas. That ink is so smooth, so nice, and you're able to, again, have the larger surfaces. That works really nice that. As you can see, the ink is rich and it has a nice intense black that dries quickly. It's non-toxic, odorless, and the wear resistant, the nibs on the end, and so you're able to use them without them fraying. Just a really great product you can use on limitless kinds of papers, wood, ceramic, stones, metal, plastics, porcelain. And then what a great gift too for even rock painting. You can use these on rocks. So again, super great screen-free way to have a creative outlet with a really nice professional result and zero prep work. I hope this dual black marker will solve a lot of your dilemmas, and thanks for watching. See you next time.